You just saw us from my teammate, Kierón Shiels, and this is Akshat Pasbola doing the code demonstration. So basically we just, inside the main function, we have the initialization of clocks. Then we print the game start screen, and we clear any noise which is there before it starts, which is trivial but anyways. And we wait for the user to press the next key to go into the menu. And then we call the menu function. Inside the menu function, we clear the screen from our previous startup screen, and we use a while loop to stay inside the menu, the whole menu, because we never leaves the menu and we just go into the game function, and we calls the menu again if we want to exit the game. and we like print the menu, and we wait for the user to press PA8, that is the 8th key, that is the PA8, yeah, PA8. So then we call the game function. If I go inside the game function, it populates. It is a function I made at the start of the screen. That is this one. It fills it does all of this. It generates random bananas, it generates bad bananas. So basically we're having a game which generates random bananas and you have to eat, and there might be a possibility that the banana might be bad, that it decrements your heart, and if you eat a good banana it increments your score. So that's the game, and now we go inside the game function. We call the populate, the one I showed you just beforehand, and we use a variable called isPlaying to while we are inside the game. So then we call the put image of the monkey that we have in the game, and we also draw the hearts that is present. We use the in-game function to basically be inside the actual game, and when we exit it, that is when we lose our hearts, we go inside this while loop. So in game, this is the logic. If this is the whole thing, so if we have our set to 3, that is, this is the exit thing. If we want to exit the game and go inside the menu, we call the function, and we have a special key, that is the PB3, and we use a special pointer to keep track of the points the user has gained. This part is just for user making the monkey go up and down, left and right. And we have used if hearts is equals to 0. So actually hearts is called inside the function. Where is it? Yeah, this. So we have a function called collisions. We check for the collision. If we have a collision with a good banana or a bad banana, it increments the same way. And we call the hearts function from this. The hearts are displayed at the top right of a screen. Then inside the hearts function, we play note. We reveal the bad bananas, that is, we see the red bananas that is blinking, and then we print the game over screen. If we check if the current pointer is greater than the top score, we change the top score to pointer, and it prints all of that. So while we're inside the menu, it waits for our input, and accordingly it does all of this. It generates bad or good random spot, it generates good bad random spot, and starts the game again. As you see, inside menu sets to 0, in game sets to 0, so it goes to while playing. This one inside is playing, sorry. And yeah, that is everything inside. And if I go inside the collisions function, it checks for the x and y axis of the player and the banana. Like we use the function is inside, which was provided to us, and then we do accordingly. And we also regenerates bananas if our pointer hits a multiple of 5. And yeah, this is the check collision with bananas function. This is generate good random spots, remove good bananas, that is after everything is done. Like when we have, sorry, not after everything is done, it's when we hit the multiple of 5, we clear the older screen and we generate new points which gets which is a combination of good and bad. So we use both the good and bad bananas remove and generate bad random spots. This checks if the new banana is basically on the same spot or not as the previous banana. So this makes sure that there is no overlapping going on, and draw good spots. This is the function we call after we generate the thing, and we are using a struct to keep track of the bananas. So good bananas dot I, that is like the ith index, and its x value, and good bananas I y value. So we are literally using a for loop to print all the good ones, and then we have this theme, and also the lost screen when we go inside the menu it plays. And yeah, that's it for the code. Thank you.